Hello dear friends, welcome to the second lesson of Kazakh language learning course. In our second lesson, we will learn the sound system of Kazakh language. Dbastar Jwese, Dbastar Jwese, the sound system. As the English language, the Kazakh language alphabets are divided into two parts. Dawste or vowel, dawsas or consonant. Vowel are divided into two parts, Juan and Zhenishke. Juan means hard, the words which have hard sound. Zhenishke means soft. In this group are the words which have soft sound. Dawsas or consonant letters are also divided into three parts. Learning the letters according to the groups is a milestone or very important for a Kazakh language learner because in Kazakh language we make tenses and the different form of a word by adding suffixes. For understanding relevant suffixes, we should know the groups of the letter. For example, we should know that ma is related to the third group of dawsas, or we should know that ta is related to the fifth group. In today's lesson, we discuss those ta or vowel letters. There are four pairs of vowel letter which have got similar sounds. The first pair is a, o, e, ye, u. These two letters can be Juan or Zhenishke because in some places they give hard sound and in some places they give soft sound. For better understanding the sound of these four pairs, we practice some letters. Ana, mother, ake, father, sat, clock, sat, moment, ar, dignity, every. The second pair, o and o, oath, fire, oath, coal, access, coal, bowl, be, bool, divide. The third pair, o, court, warm, court, suddenly, tour, get up, tour, look, qut, welcome, or appearance, kut, see. The fourth pair, us, odor, us, business, qur, filed, kir, laundry, this, outside, this, tooth. Write the words according to the hard and soft sound. As we read, the vowel letters are divided into Juan and Zhenishke. You should differentiate that which word is Juan and which word is Zhenishke. I will read the words first. Adam, ata, age, apa, ana, bala, ake, shishe, aga, apke, kız, jigit, ul, ail, kuyu, iğne, single, men, sen, says, ul, student, muallim, dereger, bastık, il, qala, bo'lme, darisxona, tereze, eshik, sham, ustil, o'rindiq, taxta, bul, qalam, qarindosh, o'shergesh, daftar, qog'oz, kitob, o'quliq, sumka, so'zdik, qabirg'a, sabaq. Here I have differentiated the words into two parts. The words which have hard sound are called the zhuan words. It means the words which contain the zhuan letters or hard letters, especially at the last part of the word, is called the zhuan words, and the words which contain the soft letters, especially at the last part, are called the soft letters or zhenshke letters. For example, Adam, Ata, Apa, Ana, Bala, Agha, Qiz, Ul, Bastaq, Qala, Dariskhana, Sham, Orendiq, Takhta, Bur, Qalam, Qarindash, Qog'oz, Kitob, o'quliq, qabirg'a, sabaq are called zhuan letters. Age, ake, shishe, apke, jigit, ail, kuyu, ine, single, men, sen, siz, student, muallim, dariger, il, bulme, tereze, ustel, o'shergesh, daftar, sumke, and suzdek are called yengshke letters. You should learn which letter is zhuan and which letter is yengshke. According to their sounds, we add suffixes to these words and other words in different situations for making tenses and different forms of the word.